Okay, let's see how to solve this question. If a system is in equilibrium and the position of the system depends upon many independent variable, the principle of virtual work state that the partial derivative of its total potential energy with respect to each of the independent variable may be, suppose if any system, say for example I have a system like this is my, say this is my system like this. Okay, there is one force in this direction and force in this direction, and they are in equilibrium. I mean the body is at rest. I can say F1 is equal to F2, right? And it is having a many independent variable partial derivative of its total potential energy and anything. Okay, anything. If they say it is a equilibrium, I consider my body is at rest. So what I will say, my summation of vertical force is 0, my summation of horizontal force is equal to 0, my summation of rotational is equal to 0, my summation of potential energy or kinetic energy is 0. So I can say my answer is option B, it is 0. This is one of the simplest sum. What our question is, we need to find TAB and TAC. Let's see how to solve this question. If you know sine rule, this problem will be solved in less than 1 minute. Okay, this won't take you less than 1 minute. You can solve this question. It's very simple. See, TAB divided by, you need to know the angle between this and this. I know the angle between this is 90 plus 30, which is nothing but 120, and this angle is 90 plus 60, that is nothing but 150, right? And this angle is 60 plus 90, and this is also 90, right? So what I can write here, TAB, sine law is nothing but the force divided by sine of adjacent angle, angle between the adjacent forces. Angle between the adjacent forces nothing but this is 120. So I can say this is my sine 120. So TAC divided by the sine of adjacent two forces are nothing but 150, that is sine 150, and 600 divided by sine 90. So we know what is sine 90 is nothing but 1. So I can write TAB divided by sine 120 is equal to 600. Okay, so TAB is equal to 600 into sine 120. So my answer for TAB is nothing but 520 Newton. So you can see what is TAB here, 520, where it is 520 is here, only here. My answer is going to be A. Option A is my answer. Very simple. So in order to find TAC, that is also very simple. TAC divided by sine 150, which is equal to 600. So TAC is equal to 600 into sine 150. So which is nothing but 300 Newton. That is TAC.